Compatibility. Bullet LED turn signals. It is LED turn signals compatible for Harley with 2 bullet style models. For touring: Street Glide Special, Road Glide Special, Road King Special, Excluding CVO, Limited, Classic, Ultra. For Sportster: Iron 883, Iron 1200, SuperLow 72 48883 R1200T, 1200 low ECT. Some models maybe need load resistor decoders or flasher relay to ensure the LED turn signals light up with full power and prevent 1157 LED bulbs from being hyperflashing, warning or any malfunction error code on dashboard. Light performance. Switchback Design Lighting, 81 LEDs, extremely bright, 200% brighter than halogen bulbs. Front 1157 blinker available in 2 color, white for running light, amber for turn signals. Rear signal lights available in red, outring for running light, all for brake light. This LED turn signals allows you to be more noticeable.it, have a long life and fit the motorcycle system perfectly. Smoke lenses. Smooth and excellent light transmission made of high-quality PC plastic. The signal light's lens cover can protect the turn signal light inside from being damaged by dust, dirt and other factors, maintaining clear visibility without weakening the turn signals. Light installation. Plug and play and integrated handle design. The LED turn signals are plug and play on models with front and rear bullet style housings. Package contains 12 months warranty, 1 pair of front 1157 LED turn signals, 1 pair of rear LED turn signals, 2 pair of smoke turn light lenses. All LED turn signals will be tested before they are sent out, but they may be damaged during shipping. If you have any problems, please contact the seller and we will try our best to handle it for you. Please check the compatibility of description before ordering. Top reviews from the United States. Easy to install, well packaged, very bright. These came very well packaged and have adapters for the tail lights included, 1156 or 1157. LEDs with amber ring are the front turn signals. Easy and straightforward install. It's a nice touch that they have 2-sided tape rings that hold the light where you want it when putting covers on. I did have to resync my turn signals, 2014 SG, to clear hyperflash on dash, but that was super easy. Videos on YouTube show the process and expected. They are very bright and seem well made.